Hello friends, today I am going to unbox Amazon Basics lightweight mini tripod stand. I have brought it from amazon.in. As you can see, it is packed in thick polythene casing, and here it is tightly sealed from all sides so that any water or any dust contents may not damage the product. And here you can see the barcode, and it is written NP6. It is tightly sealed from all sides, and on the back side here there is the barcode and the QR code. You can scan it on your phone and can get total details about the product. And now I have taken out a pair of scissors, and now I am going to rip it open. The MRP of the tripod is rupees 765 INR, but I got a lightning deal and it came to me at a price of 299 INR. And here, as you can see, this is the bill. It is sent by Amazon, and I have kept aside the bill. And this is the hard cardboard box. As you can see, nothing more inside the packet. I have kept it aside. And this is the back side of the box. Here you can get the total description of the item, and here you can get net quantity, the MRP, and other things about the item. As you can see, there are descriptions, and here this is the barcode you can see, and there are other details about the item. It is a very nice and a very stylish product, and it is a product by Amazon Basics, and the item weight is 118 grams. The product dimensions are 12.9 into 3.4 into 1.4 centimeter. And now I am going to open the box, and here I am opening it. As you can see, inside the box is the mini tripod stand, and this is the tripod stand. It is packed in polythene, nothing more inside the box. And here I am going to take out the tripod stand, and this is the tripod stand. Its legs are black in color. As you can see, this is the tripod stand. These are the rubber feet to provide a firm grip on the surface. This is the mini tripod stand from Amazon Basics, and it keeps your camera in place. The mini tripod is adjustable. As you can see, this is a thumb screw. I am rotating it, and here this is the screw thread, and here you can adjust it, and it has a ball head which can be rotated to 360 degree, and it gives up to 90 degree tilt just to get the right angle in one smooth move. As you can see, this is the mobile phone holder, and now I am going to place it in the thumb screw, and the mobile phone holder is black in color. As you can see, this is the mobile phone holder, and the mini tripod stand is also very adjustable, and it is also very compatible with small digital cameras, GoPro devices, and smartphone adapters. And the recommended maximum weight is 5 kg for optimal performance, and it is also very small and lightweight for travel. And here it is fixed, as you can see, and these are the legs. These are black in color with rubber feet, and it is, as you can see. And this is my mobile phone, as you can see, and now I am going to fix it in the mobile phone holder. As you can see, I am adjusting it, and here I am adjusting it, pulling it up, and here I am placing my mobile phone in the mobile phone holder, and now I am adjusting it, and it is almost done. As you can see, the mobile phone is fixed, and you can take any pictures or shoot any videos, whichever you like. And the mobile phone is fixed, as you can see, and this is the screw, adjustable screw, and you can adjust to any angle, and ensures secure mounting of the camera or other imagery devices, while its mini ball head allows a 360 degree rotation up to 90 degree tilt. Here I am tilting it to one side, here to another, and here to another, as you can see, and here I have tilted, and you have to just get the right angle for the rotation up to 90 degree tilt and simply turn and tighten, and here I have made it straight. Here as you can see, this is the mini tripod stand with adjustable height metal legs and rubber feet, and here I am extending the legs as you can see, and the minimum standing height is 4.75 inches and the maximum standing height is 7.5 inches, and here I have extended the legs and these are the rubber feet to provide a firm grip on the surface as you can see. And here I have made the tripod stand to take a shoot, and here I have again put it down, and here I am folding the legs, and here it is folded, and the minimum standing height is 4.75 inches, and here as you can see you can take pictures, photos along with this, and this is the adjusting screw, and it has a mini ball head which allows a 360-degree rotation, and here I have rotated it, and all you can take with this mini tripod stand is great photos, videos and everything you want to share. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.